very warm welcome to everyone. So let's start the program with Tilawat-e-Quran Pak. For that, I would like to call upon the stage Mr. Shakil. Please come here and recite verses of Holy Quran. Mr. Shakil, sir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين.
After the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Durood on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Her Excellency, High Commissioner of Pakistan for Kenya, Sayyida Saklan, His Excellency, High Commissioner of Turkey for Uganda, Sir Secretary Melt, Member Parliament, Honorable Madam Jennifer Mohesi, our Honorable Jana Mohesi Joffrey, Deputy Ambassador in Tanzania, as well Inter-Sectoral Committee on COVID-19 in Uganda, Dr. Mumtaz Qasim, Ambassador of Uganda to Italy, Honorable Member of Parliament, Madam Sara Ntale Seri, all distinguished guests, special guests, some came from abroad, Kenya, Burundi, Rwanda as well, Dr. Honorable Arun Said, President of OPGFA Africa Continent, respected Imran Mamre, our young media coordinator, Mr. Falak Sher, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed, you are most welcome at our annually blood donation camp in Kampala.
Okay. Who's counting?
1, 2, 3.
I want to mention one thing. Whenever we go to Turkey Embassy, Alhamdulillah, His Excellency gave us enough time, and since 2-3 years he comes punctually to give the blood here, and really salute from OPGFA to Mr. Krimal. Welcome, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Salam.
My dear sister, Honorable High Commissioner Saklan Saida, Honorable Members of Parliament, my dear sister, Honorable Makadama, Excellencies, dear brothers and sisters, it's a pleasure for me, it's an honor. Like for the past 3 years, this is the third time I'm participating in this event. We are definitely very proud of Overseas Pakistani Global Foundation Africa. They are working in a good direction, and these efforts of integration in East Africa, they are very fundamental. Integration in East Africa among the peoples, but also of the diaspora, of the Pakistanis in particular. I think it is very important. That is why the efforts of this foundation, they are very much in line with the directions that the governments are taking in order to bring peace and stability to East Africa. As Turkey, we contribute also a lot to Uganda's development in East Africa in particular. In particular, we would like to invest more in education, and like OPGFA, we also have a Maori Foundation. That is a foundation that has opened already 15 or 22 schools in Pakistan. Already we have more than 3,000 pupils who are going to those schools. So hopefully in Uganda we will also see the branches of Maori Foundation in future. So talking about integration in East Africa, I cannot but mention and honor, unfortunately, the passing away of His Excellency the President of Tanzania. So if we have any people from Tanzania, please accept heartfelt condolences from the people in the Republic of Turkey for them as well. So what is past, but we are here building for the future, and donating blood is a noble effort. Once again, I appreciate all those who have participated in the making of this function possible, and may Allah accept your efforts and give you His blessings. Thank you, OPGFA, and the President, and all the respected members, and my deepest respect to the protocol officer. Many thanks.
And this kind of